So this is the SAS Ultimate Barrel Lock, which just simply fits in the side of the head here. So this is a Bradley cast head. You can have it braked or unbraked and this barrel will still fit. So you just simply insert the barrel in, twist it until it drops in right in, and then untwist it to remove it. This is what we call our SAS Ultimate lock using our special key system. So that's the barrel lock in there. That will now lock that head so it won't be able to be lifted. If you want to increase the security, also recommend the U Hitchlock, which is this one here. This will go fully over the whole head, and again can be fitted whilst hitched to a vehicle or while stationary. I must emphasise that it can't be used whilst you're travelling.